Welcome friends on my YouTube channel. Yes, Risham. Today I am going to teach maths, and in maths I have taken the topic laws of exponents. In this topic we will just take here a, n and m are natural numbers. We are taking a and m are as natural numbers. So let's start. Before starting the chapter, I want to tell you, I want to clarify about your identities. So whatever the identities are there, which are written over there, so I'm going to identify those identities. So first of all, suppose when the bases are the same, so my dear friends, please note it down that these are the bases and these are the exponents, and we can say that as power also. When the bases are same, so we will put here a m plus n. Why m plus n? Because here is a point, and this point indicates for the multiplication. Clear? Okay. Now come to the next point. Next topic is a to the power m to the power n. Means here we are having two powers. A to the power m to the power n equals to a to the power m and n. Here we are having multiply sign, and that multiply sign is representing here. Clear? Next is a to the power m upon a to the power n. A to the power m upon a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. And when these two exponents are in division form, then we should have to keep it in minus. Clear? Next is one more thing you have to remember here, that in this condition m will be greater than n. M will be greater than n. If m will be not greater than n, then n minus n. Now the next one, a to the power m to b to the power m. Now bases are different. Please remember here, bases are different, but m and m means powers are same. So in that condition we have to put ab to the power m. ab to the power m means we are taking the power common. Now come to the next one. Whenever the power will be 0, the answer will be only 1. Please keep it in mind, because many students get confused during this expression. The next one, 1 upon a to the power n equals to a to the power minus n. Means to say, whenever the expression is in division form and it is having any power, so that power will go in minus 1. Now let us understand very goodly by some examples. So I have written examples to clarify you that in the first one, 17 to the square into 17 to the power minus 5 means 17 to the power minus 5. See, both bases are same, so we have to keep it here 17, as when this is the sign of multiply, so here will be plus 2 plus minus 5, and you know very well that plus minus will goes to minus, so that's why minus is here. 2 minus 5, that is 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3, so it is equals to 1 upon 17. Because power is in minus, so from this expression you can take, when the power is minus, you can take it is in divisional form. Here also the power is in minus, so you can take it in divisional form. Next is 5 to the square minus 7. Means both second identity here I am going to repeat you that base is single base is there, and there is only power, two powers are there. So we will go through the multiply of these two powers. 7 2s are, you know very well that 14 is there, so you will keep it in 1 upon 5 to the power 14. Means to say, again the same thing is there, minus is there, so you have to keep it here. After that, in this expression, 23 to the power 10 upon 23 to the power 7. Here minus 10, here power 7. Means both the powers are the same, bases are the same, but the expression is in division form. So it is equals to 23 to the power 10 minus 7. The identity, this identity is going to be worked here. 10 minus 7 is equals to 23 to the power minus 17. 10 and minus 10 and minus 7 is equals to 1 upon 23 to the power 17. Next is 7 to the power minus 3 multiply 9 to the power minus 3. So it goes to the value as 7, 9 are and minus 3 we are taking as common. 63, 7 9 is 63 and minus 3 that we will represent it again 1 upon 63 to the power 3. Next expression 2 whole. Now the powers are in you can say P upon Q form. This is P upon Q form. So now the powers are in P upon Q form. So whenever the powers are in P upon Q form, so we have to be keep the same method, same exponent will be there. Powers will not be any having relation whenever they are in this. So we have to be keep it 2 same base, and then after power will be add. Power will be 2, 3 same LCM will come here. 2 plus 1 that is 3. And 3 will cut by this 3 and you will get 1. And you can write it also 2. There is not a need to write down 2 to the power 1. Next one, 5 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 2 equals to. Now this is a special case because in this case this identity is going to be 1. This identity is saying that whenever the power is 0, the value you will get 1. So here you will get the value as 5. I have taken here 2 methods to do this. 2 methods to do this. First is 5 to the power 0 plus 2 means 2 plus 0 2 and 5 to the power 2 means 5 5s are 25. Here if we will put in place of 5 to the power 0, if we will place 1, so 1 into that is 5 to the power 2, same 5 to the power 2 from here, this 5 to the power 2 is coming here, so 5 ones are 5 and 25, 5 ones are 25, so 25 you are getting. Thank you for watching.